Okay, we're about to give it another shot, and this time we have the surface is dialed down a bit, so hopefully that won't be a squirrel. And we are flying with a 5S pack this time. See, that's half throttle right there. I mean...
Don't shoot it with a gun, see how fast you're going?
Nah. No, I don't. No, I don't. Oh, boy. Well, I'm going to make a point to be out of here. Yeah, this thing's got plenty of scoop without the 6S pack. I was going to do a vertical, but I figured I'd come over here and do a little loop-to-loop. Oh, I did, so.
That bird didn't either.
Look at that, man. Got some good vertical there, partner. Let it go. I'm gonna shut the power off and see how she glides there. The big old wings I got. Floating.
You got a dead stick right now?
Yeah, I got full 100% up elevator right now. It just feels a little different with that other battery. It could be that extra weight just kind of threw the balance off some. I don't know. I mean, I flew it yesterday after Billy maiden it, and it was real docile, you know, very easy flying. Still feels a little squirrely on the ailerons, and well, I've got those things cut back quite a bit. I need to put some Expo in it, man. That way I don't have to worry about all that low rating mess. Yeah, I had a key, but it don't work. I have a key, but it doesn't work. Now, that's what I don't understand.
Yeah, you have to check with Barry.
Yeah.
They might have swapped it.
No, they didn't. It's just, I think it was a bad cut. I had quality glass to cut it, and I think that you just did a bad cut on it. I mean, it flies sweet, man. It really does. I mean, this thing will do anything that my single engine stick will do. That little wind is getting cockeyed on us here. It does invert really nice, man. I mean, invert it.
She whistles.
Yeah. Yeah, I installed a whistle on it, man. That's something I have to think about doing, huh? Oh, some kind of whistle system where
the wind passes through it, then.
Boy, we got that crosswind. Boy, I don't need a crosswind. If I had mother stick, I wouldn't care, because I can land that sucker anyway. But I mean, this plane, I'm still getting a feel of it. I need about 3 or 4 flights on a plane before I feel real comfortable with it. Just kind of practice some low flybys here. And see, it's wanting to tilt that wing over when I come in like that. I think I have a little slop in one of my ailerons servo arms. I had to drill them out a little big, and I think I went one size too big on the bit. And I know I have slop because I felt it. I can actually wobble that left aileron. I can actually wobble it a little bit, you know. And I'm gonna have to get rid of that because that makes a big difference. It looks good in the sky, doesn't it?
Sure does. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's got kind of that bomber look.
I know, and you fly them like a warbird. You know, that's what. Tell you, take one of these and you cover it like a warbird. You know, find a warbird that's real close to it. Yeah, it's a lot more tamed down than what it was. I mean, it was crazy. Oh Lord. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go.
Right.
Dog it. Yeah, it had to be that battery. It had to be that battery. Just throwing the weight off. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's just my first landing with it. I had to get the feel of that.
Some black, some yellow, some white.
Well, at the bottom, I'll show you. When I was building it, the servo tray, unplug it. See, I'm in the 370, 380 range still per se. I mean, I could have went 2 or 3 more minutes.